Good afternoon. This is Vincent Martone with MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I'll be taking you through the 2019 Sea Ray SPX 230 outboard. This particular 230 is outfitted with the brand new Mercury 200 horsepower engines. The swim patio on this particular model is decked out in sea deck. As we move through the transom into the cockpit, you'll notice the beautiful mocha interior with infinity woven vinyl snap out carpet. Base plate right there for your table. Very nice feature here is the automatic opening storage deck. Dedicated storage for 2 tables. Beautiful bimini top. And then check this out, guys. Simrad nav GPS unit already installed from the factory. Fusion stereo, Bluetooth audio. This guy even has a head compartment. Check it out. Extending your boating day right there, guys. Double helm seats, big bow seating up front. If you'd like to take a closer look at this boat or any of our other models, you can visit us at www.marinemax.com. You can call me here at the office, 727-536-BOAT, or you can always reach me on my personal cell, 803-760-0609. Once again, this has been Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater.